This is my dream car, and this is how the last 6 months have been saving up for it. Our boot sales, Vinted, Depop, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, it has been hectic, but all the efforts paid off. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Obviously you've just seen the intro there and the title on that. My dream car, my dream daily. ST180. Oh, I can't bloody believe it! Let me show you around. I apologise for the rain, but I just needed to show you this. So 2015 ST2, 60,000 miles. It's in decent shape. Obviously, the three modifications on it you can see here. We've got bonnet vents, fucking toe strap, and sparkle splitter. I will be keeping the splitter, swapping the bonnet vents and getting rid of the toe strap. I'll keep the actual adapter as a spare, but it's, I mean, look at it. It's just no nice. This is what it should look like. That's what it should look like. So, aye. Okay. Roundabout. Bodywork's decent. There is a, you know, the sides and all that are decent. Wheels are curved, but I'm going to put the causes on it. Okay, so grey interior, heated seats, no cruise control. However, I will put my cruise control for the red one in here. That'll be what we'll do. Heated seats, brilliant. Black headline, I never had one of them. Sony head unit, sync obviously. Oh, that's lovely. I mean, it's immaculate in here. Totally immaculate. That's obviously my lock. Immaculate eye. V5 and all that. Decent mounted service history. 60,000 miles. Let me see for you. Stick the heated seat on. Aye, 60,000 miles. 60,949 miles. Airbag lights on. It's because somebody's took the airbag off and I'll put it on right, but I'll be swapping the cruise control in, so I'll sort that ASAP. Aye, oh, it's so nice to be in here with the heated seat on, but we'll move on. Brakes are decent. They're obviously a wee bit thing. I'll sort that out though. I'll put MTX on them. It's got Pilot Sport 4s at the front, but I'll be putting 16s on it and getting a whole new set of PS4s or proxies or something. Lights, I'll swap my lights in for them. Bumper, this is the major bit of bodywork damage. Looks like somebody's burnt it. I don't know how that's happened, but I'll swap that out for something. Panther Black, I think it's called Panther Black, but Pio, the ST150's Panther Black, I think, and he's a little bit different. Oh, just check that out, man. Woohoo! Beautiful car. Both them. Boot, put my emerald struts on as well. Boot, clean, empty. You know, no spare, but I'll put my spare, you know, actual alloy in. Charger in the back, I didn't actually know that. I think that's loose. Aye, this thing is loose here because when you're reversing it makes a hell of a noise. There's a few things, you know, I'm not going to like these, but STs have all been ragged, so it's quite hard to find a decent one. But I did try my best. My dream colour is molten orange. I'm not going to like these. However, I couldn't find a decent molten orange one in Scotland. I did look, believe me, I looked. But black, I mean, goes with the track car, you know, the other ST. I mean, just look at them. I know I've showed you already, but just look at them. I'm not sure about the bonnet vents. Obviously it's pishing down the new, and they're guaranteed there'll be some water in the engine. They're not really that straight either. I don't know, I don't want to buy a new bumper, it's not bothering me that much. However, I will put it up on Facebook for a swap. If anybody's in Scotland and want to swap a black ST bonnet for a vented one, come and see me, I'll see it. So, time to pop the bonnet. You know, you can see the bloody water's going straight onto that sensor there. That's no good at all. So, here we are, she is, in all her bucking glory, 1.6 EcoBoost. not to be confused with the 1 litre EcoBoost. This is a dry belt. Then tucked in there is where the magic happens. Turbo, it's just a new turbo, a reconditioned turbo one, because the old one blew apparently. I've seen proof in that, so see how that goes, but we'll probably be upgrading the turbo at some point. I'm not going to be chasing numbers. I would like to be 230ish. I'm sure though once we get to 230ish I'll be like, oh, I want 300, you know, so, but right now the goal is 230ish, which, you know, it's not that hard to get to on these cars. Let's take her for a spin.
Watch my videos before, specifically the ones when I'm testing out a car. You'll see, you'll know this road. I've been on this road before. This is my go-to, quite old, fast road, you know. Stop on a dime as well. Nice, really nice. Oh, I got a swap for the bonnet vents. Somebody I put it on Facebook, and somebody said that they're coming up to Wales and they've got a black ST and they want vents and they'll swap. So that's the 3rd of November, so that'll be next week sometime. I also keep forgetting I've got a 6th gear, because obviously on both my other cars there's only 5, you know what I mean? It's 5 in reverse. And I was getting up, you know, to see my mum the other day, when the day we got it, and it was telling me to shift up. I was saying, what are you talking about, shift up? I'm in 5th. Then I realised obviously there's 6th gear, of course there is. I knew there was, I just totally forgot, you know, you're just used to driving, so yeah. There is a crack at the top of the coolant tank, hairline crack, and so there's air hissing. Then, bit of a blow off valve and a air filter on it. Oh, cruise control big time. I'm heading to work, guys, so thank you very much for watching. Absolutely buzzing with this. One of my dream car since they came out in 2015 or whatever it was. And I was 10. I can't believe I'm sitting in one and I'm driving one. I know it's not much. It's a very attainable dream car, don't get me wrong, but I love it. I love it. The months it's my absolute favourite. Buzzed out in the world with this, so happy with it. It's not perfect. It was never going to be, was it? You know, 60,000 miles, happy with that. It's a good base into its stock, which is quite hard to find. Actually, it isn't actually totally stock, because it's had a Fosa, whatever it's called. Delete, I found that the other day. It's got one of the delete bums in it. It's unbranded. So, I don't really know anything about them, because I've never known one before, you know. Someone has to tell me what that is. Let me know. Right, so that's me at the shell, guys. So, thanks very much for watching. This is going to be a lot of fun doing stuff to this car, you know what I mean? This will be a good series. Get some new ST180 people, so if you're new here watching this, I welcome you and see you next week.